Hello students, today we will learn how to draw root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 etc. on the number line. You need to draw root 2 on the number line. So that you have to draw a number line first, then mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. on the number line and mark AB on the number line. So this is AB is equal to 1 unit. Now you need to draw a line perpendicular to AB and mark 1 unit on that perpendicular line. How to do that? Take the scale. So first you have to take the protractor. Keep the center of the protractor on B. Then draw a line from 90° to B. Draw a line from 90° to B. Okay. Now mark 1 centimeter on that line. First you have to draw a perpendicular line from B to AB. So now mark 1 unit on that line. So that is, and name that point as C. So mark that point as C. Now join AC. So now this is a right angled triangle. In that right angled triangle, you can see AB is equal to 1 unit, BC is equal to 1 unit. What is AC? So you have to apply Pythagoras Theorem to find AC. So in the right angle triangle ABC, AB is equal to 1 unit, BC is equal to 1 unit. By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared is equal to base squared plus height squared. Here hypotenuse is equal to AC. So hypotenuse squared means AC into AC is equal to base squared, AB into AB plus height squared, BC into BC. So what is AB into AB? 1 into 1 is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So that is equal to 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So AC into AC is equal to 2. Then what is AC? AC is equal to AC is equal to root 2 units. So 1 squared plus 1 squared is equal to root 1 squared plus 1 squared is 2. So therefore AB squared plus BC squared is equal to 2. So AC squared is 2. AC is equal to root 2 units. Now you need to draw this root 2 on the number line. How to draw root 2 on the number line? For that you need to take the compass. So now keep the center of the compass on A and pinpoint of the compass on C. So now keep the center as O and radius equal to root 2. Draw an arc. So now keep the center of the protractor on O and radius root 2. Draw an arc. Okay, so this is now this length is root 2. This is equal to root 2 units. So this name that point as D. So AD is equal to root 2 units. Now mark that point as D. So now AD is equal to root 2. Now how to draw root 3 on the number line? So now AD root 2 units, and you will draw a perpendicular line from AD So take the protractor, keep the center of the protractor on D and draw 90 degree to D. So this is perpendicular to AD. Now draw a perpendicular line from AD and mark 1 unit on AD and mark that point as E. Now join AE. Now in the right angle triangle ADE, AD is equal to root 2 unit, DE is equal to 1 unit. Therefore, hypotenuse AE into AE is equal to base squared plus height squared. Base squared is root 2 into root 2, 2 plus height squared 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So AE into AE is equal to 3. Therefore AE is equal to root 3. How to draw root 3 on the number line? So just like root 2, we will take the compass and keep the center of the compass on A and root 3 as radius, draw an arc. Mark that point as F. Now AF is equal to root 3 units. So this is the way you have to draw root 2 and root 3 on the number line. If you want to draw root 4 is root 2. So if you want to draw root 5 on the number line, you have to start from 2. Now you need to draw root 5 on the number line. So for drawing root 5 on the number line, first you have to draw a number line and mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. on the number line. Now mark 0 as P and 2 as Q. Now PQ is equal to 2 units. From Q you have to draw a perpendicular line. Take the protractor, keep the center of the protractor on Q and join 90 degree and Q. You will get a perpendicular line from PQ, from Q to PQ. So now this line is perpendicular to PQ. Mark 1 unit on that perpendicular line. Now name that point as R. Now this is PQ is equal to 2 unit and QR is equal to 1 unit. Now you need to join PR. Now this in the right angle triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 2 unit, QR is equal to 1 unit. You need to find PR. So using Pythagoras theorem, in the right angle triangle PQR, hypotenuse PR squared is equal to base PQ squared plus height QR squared. So PR into PR is equal to PQ into PQ plus QR into QR. That is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. What is 2 into 2? We will get 4. What is 1 into 1? 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now PR into PR is 5. Then what is PR? PR is equal to root 5. Now PR is root 5. So how to mark this root 5 on the number line? Take the compass with the PR center and radius equal to QR, PR, draw an arc on the number line. With the PR center and radius equal to PR, that is root 5. Draw an arc on the circle. Now this length is equal to root 5. Mark that point as S. So PS is equal to root 5. So PS is equal to root 5 unit. So this is the way to draw root 5. If you want to draw root 6, again from PS, you will draw a perpendicular line, mark 1 unit on that line, then you will join that point and P. The same way you will draw root 6. From root 6, you can draw root 7. Okay, in that way. So now you learn how to draw root 2, root 3, root 5 on the number line. Okay, children, learn well, understand well, and practice. Bye.